Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Stay home and stay safe. Take a healthy food and take care of yourself. So, what is day today? Today is Thursday, 14th January 2021. It's your maths period, and today our topic is quadrilaterals and kinds of quadrilaterals. Students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Draw a margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork. It's Thursday, 14th January, 2021. Is your topic quadrilaterals and exercise is define these. What is quadrilateral? Today we will learn definition of quadrilateral and its kinds of quadrilateral. So shapes with four sides are called quadrilaterals. Kinds of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram and kite. Shapes with four sides are called quadrilaterals. So in the kinds of quadrilateral, first one we have square. As you know, a square has four sides and four corners. Its all sides are equal in length and stand straight. Look at this square. It has four sides and four corners. Its all sides are equal in length and stand straight. Next one is rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four corners. Its opposite sides are equal. It stands straight like a square, but its length is different from width. Its length is different from width. Look at the rectangle. It also has four sides and four corners, but its opposite sides are equal. It stands straight like a square, but its length is different from its width. These shapes have four sides, so it is kind of quadrilateral. All the shapes which have four sides are kinds of quadrilaterals. Next, number 3 is rhombus. Rhombus is also known as diamond. It has four sides and four corners. Its all sides are equal. Rhombus is also known as diamond. Look at this shape. It is also known as diamond. It has four sides and four corners. Its all sides are equal. Next one is parallelogram. It has four sides and four corners, but unlike squares and rectangles, it likes to lean. It is a four sides and it has four sides and four corners, but unlike square and rectangles, it likes to lean. It is slightly, look at this, it is slightly lean. Its sides are not straight like square and rectangle. It is slightly lean. So it is a shape of parallelogram. It has four sides and four corners, but unlike squares and rectangles, it likes to lean. Next one is kite. It has four sides and four corners, but is different from rhombus because its all sides are not equal. Look at this. It is kite. It has four sides and four corners, but it is different from rhombus because its sides are not equal. Look at this. Its sides are not equal. Its all four sides are not equal, so it is different from rhombus or diamond. Its sides are equal, but its all sides are not equal. So students, you have to write these definitions and also learn it and draw or paste the shapes with their definitions, okay, and also learn it. Look at these, all these shapes have four sides, so it is kinds of quadrilaterals. It has all has four sides. Students, now open your countdown books. Students, open chapter number 7 is geometry. Again, learn definitions. Its point. A point in geometry refers to a location. It is shown as a dot. It has no length, no width and no depth. A point is always denoted by a capital letters. Look at this. It's A, B, C and D. These are points. These all are points. Next one is line. A line is a set of points joining a straight path on both sides. A line has no end point. For example, look at this line. It has no endpoint. It go on and on forever on both sides in the direction of A and B. And it consists of a set of points. Next is line segment. A line which joins two points and it has a beginning at an end point. And it does not go on forever and ever. It is called line segment. Look at this. A line segment is a line which joins two points together. It has a beginning at an end point. Therefore, we say a line segment has two endpoints. It's two endpoints, MN and KL. Next one is ray. A ray is similar to a line segment but with one endpoint that extends infinitely in one direction. For example, ray AB and ray DC. Look at this. It goes infinitely, extends infinitely in the direction of B, and this ray extends infinitely in the direction of C. Next we have parallel lines. These two lines will never meet or cross each other even if they stretch forever, and the distance between these two parallel lines remains the same. So students, parallel lines will never meet or cross each other, and the distance between parallel lines always remains the same. So students, you will learn these definitions on daily basis. Do your work in a neat handwriting and send it to me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.